If you just toss your product to the ground like this, then you could lose some sales. But if you're presenting your fashion product like this, then I think we can talk. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily turn an amateur looking photo into something that looks professional and studio quality. So basically, we can create a ghost mannequin photo for any fashion product, and the result look like this. They look amazing, professional, clean, and just easy to create because we can just use Gemini AI. So let me show you how you can create something like this using Gemini AI. First, let's open Gemini, and in this case, I'm just using the desktop web version of the platform, but of course, the same method can be applied on the mobile app version as well. Now, for this example, I'm going to be using this fashion product. I'm going to just upload this to Gemini. Let me just copy and let's paste that onto Gemini, or you can also just download or click this plus button and then upload the file from your device. And after that, this is the prompt that you can use to create an invisible ghost mannequin product photography using Gemini. You can find this full prompt in the description down below. Just copy the prompt and let's put that onto Gemini. Now, there are a few things that you need to modify in the prompt. So first, you can select the aspect ratio, which is basically the dimension of the picture. In this case, I want to get 4:3, and that's close to a horizontal aspect ratio, but you can also use something like 1:1, which is a very popular aspect ratio for an e-commerce product. Okay, and after that, you can specify the body type or the gender of the character. So this is actually something that I have to add last minute, because on my testing, sometimes AI will create a body, invisible body for a man, even though the product was, for woman. So you have to specify the gender of the character, which in this case for a woman. Okay, and after that, you can specify the camera angle. I want to select front left. And down here, you can select the background. Usually white or light gray is popular. So it's going to be a very subtle light gray. And that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to click Tools, Enable Image Generation. And you can either use the thinking or the pro version. It doesn't matter because it will guarantee using the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. So this is the final prompt that I use. And of course, you can modify the prompt depending on what are the kind of pictures that you actually want from Gemini. You can add some extra information. It's really up to you. But this is the basic prompt that is available in the description down below. So just wait for Gemini to create a picture. And by the way, if you want to use this prompt multiple times, but you don't want to copy and paste manually, then I highly recommend to put the prompt as a gem in Gemini. I'll show you later how you can use it, but for now, let's just wait and let's see the picture. There you go. So this is the result. It was based on this photo. There you go. I think it's very accurate. Maybe the only thing that I noticed to be a bit different is the color, but everything else is the same. And I think color is easy to fix. If you not quite like it, you can use some basic tools like Photoshop or Canva to adjust the coloring a bit. But I would say this looks really good. And after that, I highly recommend to download the picture this way. Click this download button. Do not right click and then save image, because there's a good chance you will get a very low resolution picture. Always use this download button to get the full version of the picture. Now, again, if you want to use this prompt multiple times, you can actually just copy it and you can create a gem by opening this side menu and then go to gems and just wait for the menu to open, and then you can click new gem right here. And let's call this one Ghost Mannequin Photography. And you can, sorry about that, forgot the last O. And you can put that prompt right here and just click save. So every single time you are creating, you are using that chat, using that gem, the Ghost Mannequin Photography, it will automatically create a picture based on the prompt that you just provided. So that's one feature that I highly recommend to be utilized, especially if you want, or if you're planning to use this tool a lot to create a ghost mannequin photography, or basically any photography product, and you don't want to manually copy and paste the prompt manually. But yeah, that's basically the step-by-step process that you can try to create this amazing looking and professional ghost mannequin photography for any fashion product. It could be for a jacket, t-shirt, socks, trousers, etc. There are plenty of products that I couldn't mention, but don't worry, the prompt can work on pretty much any fashion product. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.